In this video, we are going to look on how to download DeepSeek R1 on PC. Now we all know that DeepSeek is a large language model similar to ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. But unlike these two softwares, we cannot directly run DeepSeek on a web browser. We need a tool which specifically runs these softwares. For example, to use DeepSeek, we will first have to download Ollama on our PC. So open up a web browser and search Ollama. Click on the first link and click on download. Select on what device you want to download Ollama. I am currently using a Windows device, so I am going to click on download for Windows. Once the download is complete, you need to open up Ollama. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, go back to the previous web page and click here on DeepSeek R1. Once you get this page, you will need to select how many billion parameters that you want to run DeepSeek on. The increasing number of parameters indicates that you will need a higher end device. If you choose to use DeepSeek on 32 billion or 70 billion parameters, you will need a higher end PC. I have a very decent PC, so I'm just going to select 8 billion parameters. Besides the parameters, it is also given that the space that they will consume on your computer. For example, 8 billion parameters will consume 4.9 gigabytes of my computer's space. Now once you select your parameter, copy this statement, open up Windows PowerShell and paste it on your Windows PowerShell and hit enter. Based on the parameter you chose, it will take time to download. For example, now I chose 8 billion parameters, so I will have to download 4.9 gigabytes of model. The time taken to download this will be according to your network. If your network is strong, it will take lesser time, and if your network is fairly poor, it will take longer than usual time to download. Once the download is complete, you will get this on your prompt, and here you can type any AI prompt you want. For example, I'm going to type this. And once you complete typing your prompt, just hit enter. Note that DeepSeek uses fair amount of your GPU power. If your computer is old or is of low specifications, the search result will take time. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.